and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we are going to try to make the pancake dippers. You know, you've seen them on the internet. It's the strip of bacon, and then you pour the pancake mix over it, and you immediately have your bacon with your pancake. So we're going to give it a shot today. Stay tuned for this week's episode. I have cut my Hell's smoked bacon in half just to make it easier, I think, and more manageable for eating. And then all you have to do is make up just whatever your favorite pancake mix is. Be sure to put the batter in this squeeze bottle or a squeeze bottle. That way, when you're forming it and squeezing it onto your bacon strip, you have a little more control over the batter and it doesn't go everywhere. Let's fry up the bacon. Get these guys going. Bacon's frying up nicely. Gonna soak them on a paper towel next. Now that my bacon is cooked, I am going to attempt to put them back in the frying pan and then put the pancake batter over them to make our little dippers. Here we go. Okay, I'm only gonna put in, I think, 2 pieces at a time, get them flat, because I don't want to take up too much room. So we're gonna squirt this pancake batter around it. The next one. Want to make sure you don't have lumps. Let's try to flip. Ooh. All right. One flip. Okay. When this next guy is ready, give him a flip. Look at that. Okay, another 30 seconds, I think they'll be ready. Alrighty, we made pancake dippers. There they are. I had a little bit of a stick in the pan issue, and I had a little issue with the nozzle getting clogged up. Oh well, but that's okay. So, now for the taste test. You can see that the bacon is in there. Maple syrup. Maple syrup. Super sweet pancake mix. I let it get good and crunchy. I like that. The Hell's bacon, of course, is a super smoky and thick. Tastes great. Basically just tastes like pancakes and bacon. I think this is a fun idea for kids, but if you're an adult, you know what? Don't go through the trouble. Just make your pancakes, have your side of bacon, and be done with it. But for kids, they'd probably really get a kick out of this. Hey, if you make this recipe, let me know how it turned out for you. If you have kids, make it for them and maybe do a little film clip of them eating it. All right, you guys, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you next time on Destination Bacon. Bye.